Oh, hey there. We're happy to see that you're interested in our product. Let me tell you more about it. I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of bank compliance, and I'm going to show you how to make sure your website passes all the tests in 2024. Did you know that over 60% of websites fail to meet bank compliance standards, risking hefty fines and reputational damage? In this video, you'll learn how to ensure your website meets bank compliance requirements, safeguarding your business and customers. Understanding bank compliance can be daunting, especially with all the complex regulations, but it's absolutely essential. I'll show you how to safeguard your website and business by following 16 critical elements to ensure compliance. Whether you're running an e-commerce site or a service-based business, complying with these standards not only protects you legally, but also builds trust with your customers. So, what are these 16 critical elements? Let's break them down one by one. Make sure your company's registered business, like your address and registration number, is displayed clearly on your site. This shows legitimacy and transparency. Providing information about your business owners and directors gives banks the transparency they need to trust your operation. Clearly describe your products or services. This helps the bank assess your operations and ensure that everything is above board. Make sure your users understand how their data is collected and processed by including a robust privacy policy. This is crucial for complying with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Security is non-negotiable. Always use HTTPS to encrypt data and build trust with both banks and customers. We've covered the basics of legal transparency, business clarity, and security. Now, let's move on to the elements that help build credibility and trust. Including customer feedback or case studies shows that your business is active, reliable, and trusted by others. List your office locations, if applicable, to add another layer of transparency and legitimacy. Make sure your domain is registered and that your website is fully functional and professionally designed. A poorly maintained site can raise red flags with both customers and banks. If you have significant business partnerships, showcase them. This demonstrates credibility and helps with bank assessments. Keeping your website's content up to date is crucial. This shows the bank that your business is active and compliant with any new regulations. Now, let's get into more technical elements that directly impact your financial transparency and security compliance. Your domain should reflect the jurisdiction of your business. For example, using a .com, .lt, or .mt extension helps clarify where your business is operating. If applicable, link to public financial reports. This increases transparency and builds trust with both your customers and financial institutions. Demonstrate that your business complies with anti-monopoly laws and ethical standards to meet global banking expectations. Display your company's AML measures prominently. This ensures compliance with regulatory standards aimed at preventing financial crimes. Use licensed payment gateways and provide transparency for international transactions. Secure payment processing is essential for protecting customer data and avoiding fraud. Finally, make sure you're complying with recognized security standards like ISO 27001 or PCI DSS. This shows your commitment to keeping data secure. And there you have it. By implementing these 16 elements, you'll ensure that your website not only passes bank compliance tests, but also builds trust with your customers, helping your business thrive in 2024. Remember, staying ahead of compliance issues protects your business, keeps your customers' data safe, and boosts your credibility. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other content on website optimization and compliance. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.